Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change from a line chart to a candlestick chart in TradingView. If your chart is showing a simple line and you want the richer detail that candlesticks provide, this is a quick and easy change. Candlesticks allow you to see the open, high, low, and close for each period, as well as momentum and volatility at a glance. This makes candlesticks a great upgrade from a basic line chart, as they offer a much clearer and more detailed picture of price action. Start by looking at the top right area of your chart. You'll find a small chart type icon sitting directly to the left of the indicators button. This icon is the one you'll use to switch how your data is displayed. Give that icon a click. The moment you do, a menu will appear with a list of chart styles you can apply to your current symbol. This is TradingView's chart type selector, and it includes familiar options you might recognize, along with a few specialized styles tailored for different analysis preferences. For example, you might find options for line charts, area charts, and even more advanced chart types like Renko or Heikin Ashi charts, which have their own uses for specific trading strategies. In that list, look for the option labeled Candle or Candlesticks. Depending on your layout theme, this could either be called Candle or Candlestick, but the idea is the same. Select it with a single click. As soon as you choose it, your chart will refresh, and the display will switch from the single line to full candlesticks. There's nothing else you need to do. Your data hasn't changed, only the way it's being visualized. This change instantly transforms your chart into a more dynamic and informative format. From here, you can immediately read more from each bar. The body of a candle shows where the price opened and closed for the selected time frame, while the thin wicks mark the highs and lows reached during that period. This visual representation helps you quickly identify key points in the market. For example, when you see a long body with short wicks, it usually indicates strong momentum in the market. Conversely, long wicks with a small body can indicate indecision or a reversal point. Typically, an up candle is shown in a lighter or green color, and a down candle is shown in a darker or red color. This instantly gives you a clearer sense of direction and volatility than a line chart can provide, which just shows the closing price without much context. A few quick reminders as you get comfortable with the new look. Changing the chart type does not alter your time frame, your symbol, or your indicators. It only changes the visual style of your chart. This means your analysis won't be disrupted. You're just making the chart easier to read. If you ever want to compare styles, you can click that same chart icon again and switch back to a line chart just as easily. This flexibility lets you experiment with different chart types to find the one that works best for your trading strategy. Also, if you're not seeing the menu right away, double check that you're clicking the icon directly to the left of the indicators button in the top right area of the chart. Sometimes, the layout may vary depending on your screen size or TradingView settings. And that's all there is to it. Click the chart icon, choose from the list, select Candles, and you're done. Enjoy the added clarity that candlesticks bring to your analysis, and use that visual detail to make more informed trading decisions. By switching to candlesticks, you'll have a much clearer view of market trends, making it easier to spot key support and resistance levels, identify price action patterns, and trade with more confidence. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further clarification, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help.